One important step in making sure your personal information and email account are safe is to create a strong password. In this video, you will learn different methods for creating a strong password and choose a password that is unique to your Google account. If you already have a Google account, update your password using the methods in this video, even if you think you already have a strong password. A strong password is one that other people can't guess easily. If someone is able to guess your password, they could use your account without permission. That person would have access to any sensitive information you included in your account profile, as well as personal emails you send and receive. They could even pretend to be you and scam other people while using your email address. By using a strong password, you protect your private information and your Google account. If you're continuing on from the previous video, the next step in creating your Google account is to create your password. If you already have an account, check to see if you're signed in. Then navigate to your account page. A strong password should be a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Symbols are characters like punctuation marks, a hashtag, or a $sign. There are many possible options to use when creating a password. Pick one that helps you remember your password easily. Long passwords are safer. Use memorable song lyrics, a famous quote, or a funny poem. You can use numbers and symbols instead of some of the letters in a phrase you've chosen. Or abbreviate a sentence that is meaningful or memorable to you. As you type, a pop-up shows the strength level of your password. The levels are weak, fair, or strong. The password you create should be considered strong. A Gmail password requires at least 8 characters. A password with fewer than 8 characters won't be allowed. Additionally, when you choose a password, avoid things that might be easy for others to guess, such as password 123, 123, ABC, DEF, your name or initials, names of your family members or pets, single whole words such as sunshine or pumpkins, birthdays, anniversaries, or holidays, street names or addresses, or your social security number. Finally, you should create a new password every time you sign up for a new website. Don't use your Google password for other websites. If someone gains access to your password, you don't want them to be able to sign in to your other accounts. You might sign up for an online account with your bank, a favorite store, or a social network site. Different websites have different requirements for what your password must include. It's important to remember when you create a new account to use a strong password that is difficult to guess. Once you've chosen your password, retype it on the next line. Both passwords must match. This protects you from mistyping your password so you don't get locked out of your account. Congratulations! You just secured your Gmail account with a strong, unique password. It's best not to write your password down or save it to a public computer. However, if you don't think you'll remember it and you used a shortened phrase or sentence for your password, write down the full sentence as a clue. The final step in creating your Google account is the recovery information. These are details such as your birthday and phone number to help you access your Google account if you forget your password. If you're creating a new Google account, enter your birthday and phone number. If you have another email address, add that as well. If you've just changed your password from your main account page, use that page to add additional recovery information or add two-factor authentication, an additional step for keeping your account safe. Fill out the rest of the form with your account information. Once you finish creating your account, move on to the next video to learn more about your Google account and how you can use it to plan activities with a friend. Now it's your turn. Create a new, strong password using at least 8 characters. Avoid easily guessed passwords like your name or birthday. Add additional recovery information. Move on to the next video.